name is Johan Macea. I'm from the Dominican Republic. I came here when I was about 13 years old from a small town called Bani. That town is pretty much just best known for their mangoes. The best mangoes you can ever try. The Dominican Republic is really small. We share the same island with Haiti, so pretty much we're all known for the same culture and we share the same background and everything. Everybody knows each other, and that's the mentality that we wanted to bring here. Just kind of share that with the community what we offer, but also if anybody's in need of anything in general, we want to make sure that this can be the house that they can come to and get a plate of food. This business, it's a dream that actually came true. My mom, she's been working with restaurants for over 20 years. Luckily, we were finally able to make it happen where we have our own. That's where the name comes from. Casa is Ive's house, that's her name. She's the one that makes everything. She's a mastermind behind the kitchen. And like they say, there's nothing better than your mama's food. Here is build your own plate. When people come here, you get to choose what kind of rice you would like there, or if you would like to get some of the vegetables instead of the rice, depending on how you're feeling that day. We also get to choose what type of meat you would like to put on the plate in there, and also what salad and what.
So it's like there's like a combo, and you like go through and you pick.
Build your combination plate, correct?
All right.
Well, like we tell people, don't be afraid to ask for whatever you would like to eat, just because we already have the food here, so we can make it any different way that you would like. We want to make sure they feel welcome, and it's not like, I'm going to a Spanish place, I don't know what to get. Yeah. Don't be afraid of trying the Dominican food or Puerto Rican food, just because now you will get a lot of experience and a lot of flavor in just one bite. When you think of Fall River, automatically you think of Portugal, which I love Portugal, by the way. But my girlfriend and family are also from Portugal, and we just wanted to bring something different. I grew up in New Bedford, where it's a lot of Hispanic Latinos in Fall River. Now it's just growing now with that community. So we figure bring it to the city where it doesn't have as much of a selection, and just kind of just show the people what we get to offer here.
How has the reception been from the community, and in what ways has the community come in to interact with you that you've?
So the community is just thankful that we're here. We hear it all the time. When they come to get pastelito, the meat pies, or when they come to just, have food with the family.
Yeah.
We had cases where they come try it for the first time on their lunch break at work, and then they come in on a Friday and they get a platter of food just for the family. They can have it at home. Just kind of with the rice, the flavor of the meats. We like things with flavors and gravy. We don't like no dry food.
Are there similarities between, or things that you could correlate between Portuguese culture, cuisine, and Dominican cuisine?
A lot of things. You're Portuguese, correct?
Yes, I am.
You guys make the potatoes with bacalhau.
Yeah.
We make the same thing here with the codfish. Okay. And it's just that we add a little red sauce, which is the salsas. It's the same thing. It's like the chicken breast that we make here. It's just that we don't add the spices. So we serve more the Caribbean side.
The Caribbean.
Correct.
Okay.
So there's many different type of Latinos. In the Caribbean side, we share pretty much the same culture with Puerto Rico, and as I mentioned before, Haiti, just because we're so close. As well with the Cuban culture.
Do you have a signature dish or something that, like, if somebody came in here and they're like, I just don't know what to get, like, what would you suggest that they get?
The Eve special.
The Eve special. Tell us about it.
So it's just pretty much white rice served with pigeon beans on top. It also comes with the stewed chicken, the signature drink, and macaroni salad. We have here the potato bowl filled with beef inside. The yuca bowls as well, which doesn't really look like a ball, but with that
it's a yuca sphere with mozzarella cheese. You said
filled, which doesn't even give you a chance to taste the yuca.
so if you don't like vegetables, it's okay because
you won't taste it anyway. Yeah. We also have the beef, meat pies, ham and cheese, and chicken.
Wow. So
you have the sauce there too, which complements everything and brings everything together. You can have it with anything you want.
So what's the sauce again? Because we've been hearing a lot about this, and I didn't realize. I know a lot of people have mayonnaise on their fries,
yes.
And then I like ketchup on my fries, but Latin America has put them both together
with garlic.
With garlic.
Yes. So the mayo ketchup is just garlic, all mixed in together.
Yeah.
So
is it called anything special, or is it
mayo
just
ketchup?
Mayo ketchup. All right.
So pretty much, many people think it's nothing special to it.
Yeah.
But once you try it, it's like, what's that magic sauce?
Yeah.
Just because the garlic just gives it like that extra taste to it, where like you don't find it with just the ketchup and the mayonnaise inside.
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna try this one.
Chicken,
Chicken.
such.
Oh, look at that. And so nice, and then you can tell this is so fresh, like it's not, like, it's just, is that like a stewed chicken or like a,
It's like a stewed chicken breast.
okay. Oh my God, that's so good. Really, really good. And again, not greasy, it's so like fresh pastry. Really, really nice.
That is the Dominican mango with the tres golpes. It comes with the fried salami, fried cheese, and fried eggs, and everything with the avocados. You have that plate around 11 o'clock in the morning. You probably won't be eating again until like probably 6 in the afternoon.
Okay,
That's
you
the
offer.
Dominican breakfast.
Dominican breakfast. It's got all the things that you need on there. I've never had this before and I love it. So I'm gonna,
You like onions?
I do.
You have
I
to try
do. With the onion, okay. All right.
We have.
Mucho.
I'm
I'm doing a happy dance for you.
Yeah.
When I eat and I like my food, I dance a little bit.
Yeah, the mofongo, instead of being boiled, is fried.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fried.
It does not taste the same, but it looks a little similar usually the way we serve it.
Yeah, yeah.
But it has two different types.
I have to try a piece of cheese, I'm sorry. I can never leave fried cheese behind. Makes you wonder why all cheese isn't fried. So good.